Hello, my name is Aditya and I'm from India Hikes. We all know what Green Trails is and what it means to all of us, how we've all pledged to leave the mountains better than we find them. Under which all our trekkers on all the slopes, all the trails, they go on treks and make sure that the trails, the mountains are cleared of any waste that there is. And we get it back to our base camps. Not only that, we also make sure that we segregate it into 4 categories, which is recyclable, non-recyclable, Tetra Pak, and landfill. But you know all of this. But what you don't know is what happens once that waste is collected and segregated. So we bring all that waste from our base camps to here at Waste Warriors, based in Dehradun. This is a facility where they'll further segregate waste and then process it. So let us just go inside and see it for ourselves.
एक बार जब हमारे पास कूड़ा आ जाता है, उसके बाद हमारे ग्रीन वर्कर्स उसको अलग अलग कैटेगरीज में सेग्रीगेट करते हैं, जैसे कि कार्डबोर्ड, पेपर, मिलबोर्ड, टेट्रा पैक, चिप्स के पैकेट्स और वगैरह वगैरह चीज़ें। उसके बाद हमारे सेकेंडरी सेग्रीगेशन में हमारे दूसरे वर्कर्स उसको बेलिंग और भी बाकी चीज़ें वैल्यू ऐड करते हैं।
Hello everyone, my name is Amritansh. I'm Operations Manager in Waste Warriors. This project is totally focused on plastic processing. So whatever plastic comes from the mountains comes here. We generally do the primary segregation here. This is our primary segregation area. Chemical property wise, we'll say there are 7 categories of plastic. But we have till date segregated plastic into 75 categories depending upon the color and texture. So it's not only 7 categories of plastic, it's more than that. It's way more than that.
At India Hikes, we stress on segregating waste, especially at source. If we don't, everything is mixed and ends up in the landfills. A bare minimum of our waste should go there. Our efforts at India Hikes make sure that more and more waste is recycled and upcycled. These in turn serve as raw materials for new products, finding a second life. Yet, the root of the problem remains. Reducing the waste that we generate is crucial. Take small steps. It can be as small as saying no to single-use plastics and disposables, carrying reusable bottles, getting your takeaway in your own container. It goes a long way. This is where Green Trails comes in, and everyone associated with India Hikes is doing their bit every day to leave the mountains better than we found them.